Good morning students. System software April 2014 உடைய யூனிவர்சிட்டி அண்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். இதில் பார்ட் சி ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் அசம்பிளர் ஃபங்க்ஷன் யூஸ்டு ஆன் தி டேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். What is assembler function? Assembler functions convert mnemonic operation code to machine level equivalent. Convert symbolic operands to the equivalent machine address required to process. Build the machine instructions in the proper format. Next one is convert data constants specified in source program into the internal machine representation. Write object program and assembly listing. What is data structures? Data structure used for the assembler functions. Code table. First code table gives to optab used to look up mnemonic operations codes and translate them into the machine language equivalent. Contains the mnemonic operations code and is machine language equivalent. In more complex assemblers contains information like instruction format and length. Next one is symbol table used to store values assigned to the labels. Includes the name and value for each label. Flags to indicate error condition. Example, duplicate definition of labels may contain other into like type or length about the data area instructions labeled. Next one is log CTR used to help the assignment of addresses. Initialized to the beginning address specified in the start statement. After each source statement is proceed, the length of the assembled instructions or data area to be generated is added. Give the address of a label. Assembler algorithm pass 1 and pass 2. The first step is pass 1. Assign addresses to all statement in the program. Save the values assigned to all labels for use in pass 2. Perform some processing of assembler directories. This include processing that affects address assignment, such as determining the length of data areas defined by the byte, RESW, etc. Next one is pass 2. Pass 2 assembler instruction translating operation code and looking up addresses. Generate data values defined by the byte, word, etc. Perform processing of assembler directories not done in during a pass 1. Write the object program and the assembly listing. Pass 1 gives to example of the login first step by step process. This values gives to readable. Pass 2 is read and writable. Second step process the equivalent to the programs. Copy of the statement. These are the two type of. Second one, explain the various phases of compiler. What is compiler? Compiler is a program which takes one language as input and translates into an equivalent another language. Compiler is divided into two parts, analysis and synthesis. Basis model of compiler can be represented as follows. Source file to machine code gives to compiler. Phases of compiler. Phases of compiler. Conceptually, a compiler operates into phases, each of which transform the source program for one representation to another. Each phase takes input from its previous stage as its own representation of source program and feeds in it output to the next phases of compiler. The compiler has 6 phases called lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generator, code optimizer, and code generator. Two other activities, symbol table management and error handling, are interactive with the 6 phases of compiler. This diagram is gives to 6 phases compiler. Symbol table management to support To support the phases of compiler, symbol table is maintained. The task of symbol table is to store identifiers used in the program. Basically, symbol table is a data structure used to store the information about identifiers. The symbol table allows us to find the record for each identifier quickly and to store retrieve data from that record efficiently. While doing the semantic analysis and intermediate code generated, we need to know what type of identifiers are. During code generated, typically information about how much storage is allocated to identifier is seen. Error detections and reporting is compilation. Each space detects error. These errors must be reported to error handler, whose task is to handle the error so that the compilations can proceed. Normally, the errors are reported in the form of message. Large number of errors can be detected in syntax analysis spaces. Such errors are known as syntax error. During semantic analysis, type mismatch kind of errors is usually detected. First phase of compiler is used to lexical analysis. The lexical analyzer is also known as scanning. It is the phase of compilation in which complete source code is scanned and source program is broken up into group of strings called token. A token is a sequence of characters having a collective meaning. Example: total equal to count plus rate. Second one is syntax analysis. Syntax analysis is also known as parsing. In this parse token generated, lexical analysis are grouped together to form up hierarchical structures. This is known as A plus B asterisk C operators and variables. Third one is semantic analysis. Semantic analysis, once the syntax is checked in the syntax analysis phase is the next phase. Semantic analysis determines the meaning of the source string. For example, meaning the source strings means matching parenthesis. Matching is if also ref statement. Performing arithmetic operations of expressions that are type compatible and checking operations scope. Next one is intermediate code generations. The intermediate code is a kind of code which is easy to generate and this code can be easily converted to target program. This code is variety of form of such as 3 address mode, quadruple, triple, postfix. For example, total equal to count plus rate asterisk 10. Intermediate code is the 3 address code method. This gives to T1, T2, T3, T3 less total equal to 3 less than greater than T. Next one is code optimization. The code optimization phase attempt to improve the intermediate code. This is necessary to have faster executing code or less consumption of memory. Thus, by optimizing the code, overall running time of the target program can be improved. Last one is code generation. In this phase, target code generated, the intermediate code instructions are translated into sequence of machine instruction. For example, total equal to count plus rate asterisk 10. Move rate R1, MUL, move count R2, add R2 R1, move R1, to. Next 10 more questions. Explain macro concept. What is macro? A macro is a unit of specifications for program generation through expansion. A macro consists of a name, a set of formal parameters and body of the code. The use of macro name with set of actual parameters is replaced by some code generated from its body. This is called macro expansions. Macro example. Macro means start of the definitions. INC or macro name. A1 data, A2 data, A3 data. Sequence of instructions to be abbreviated MEND. End of the definitions. Basic macro processor functions. A program a program with macro definitions and invocation. Macro processor, program without macro definition, expanded program, assembler and object program. These are the basic macro processor functions. Nested macro calls. A model statement is a macro may constitute a call on another macro. Such calls are known as nested macro calls. Macro containing the nested cell is outer macro and macro called is inner macro. The following LIFO rule, thus in structures and of nested macro calls, expansion of nested macro call is completed first. Nested macro calls example. Definitions of macro on add 1, definitions of macro add 5. This gives to add 1 add 2. This is called for the expanded of the program. Advanced macro facilities gives to Advanced macro facilities are aimed to supporting semantic expansion, used for performing conditional expansions of model statements and in writing expansion time loops. These facilities can be grouped in following facilities for alternations of flow of control during expansion time variables, attributes of parameters. Macro concept using for algorithm pass 1 pass 2. Pass 1 is consist of macro processor makes a line by line scan cover as input. Set MDTC equal to 1 as well as MNTC equal to 1. Read next line from input program. If it is macro pseudo of the entire macro definition except this line is stored in MDT. The name is entered macro name table along with the pointer to the first locations of MDT. Entry of the definitions. When the end pseudo of is encountered till the macro definitions have been proceed and control statements is transferred to pass 2. Pass 2 algorithm. The algorithm reads one line of input from at a time. For each line of checks if opcode that matches any of them MNT entry. When match is found, If when match is found, when call is pointer called MD if no corresponding macro definition stored in MDT. The initial value of MDT is field of M. Next question, explain loader and relocatable loader. Loader means loader is a system software program that performs the loading function. Loading is the process of placing the program into memory for execution. Loader is responsible for initiating the execution of the process. Fundamental process of loader: allocation, loading, relocation, linking. Allocations means the space of the program is allocated in the main memory by calculating the size of the program. Loading brings the object program into memory for execution. Relocation modifies the object program so that it can be loaded at an address different from the location originally specified. Linking, which combines two or more separate object programs and supplies the necessary information. How does loader gets loaded? Bootstrap loader. The bootstrap loader is a computer program that loads the main operating systems or runtime environment for the computer after completion of its self-resets. Types of loader: compile and go loader, absolute loader, relocating loader, direct linking loader. Compile and go loader. In compile and go loader is a link edit program loader in which the assembler itself places the assembler instructions directly into the designated memory locations for execution. The instructions are read line by line. Each machine code is obtained and it is directly put in the main memory at some known addresses. After completion of assembly process, it assigns the starting address of the program to the location counter. The assembler is first executed and when it is finished, cases a branch state to the first instructions of the program. There is no stop between the compilation, linking, editing, loading and executing of the program. It is also called an assemble and go or load and go statement. Advantage of compile and go loaders. They are simple and easier to implement. No additional routines are required to load the compile code into the memory. Disadvantage of compile and go loader. There is a wastage in memory space due to the presence of the assembler. There is no productions.object file. The source program is directly converted to the executable form. Hence, even though there is no modification in the source program, it needs to be assembled and executed each time. A general loader scheme. In compile and go, the outputting instruction and data are assembled, in which assembler is placed in main memory. That results in wastage of memory. To overcome that, we requires the addition of the new program of the system a loader. Generally, the size of loader is less than that of assembler. The loader accepts the assembled machine instructions, data and other information present in the object format and places machine instructions and data in core in an executable computer form. The reassembly is no longer necessary to run the program at the later date. Advantage of general loader scheme. In this scheme, the source program translator produce compatible object program check formats and it is possible to write subroutines in several different languages since the object is to be processed by the loader will all be in the same language, that is machine language. Absolute loader. In this scheme, the assembler outputs the machine language translations of the source program in almost the same form of the compile and go, except that the data is punched on cards. Here it will directly place in memory. The loader in turn simply accepts the machine language text and places it into core at the location prescribed by the assembler. Main function sort, absolute loader, main and sort. Disadvantage. The programmer must specify to the assembler the address where the program is to be loaded. If there are multiple subroutines, the program must resemble the address of each. The main program is assigned to the locations 100 to 247 and the sort subroutine is assigned location 400 to 477. It changes when made to main with that increasing length to more than 300 bytes. The end of main overlap with start of square root. It would the necessary assign a square root to a new location by changing its start. There are 4 functions allowing the absolute loading: allocation, linking, relocations, loading. Relocating loaders is to perform to avoid possible reassembling of all subroutines when a subroutine is changed and to perform the task of allocations and linking for the programs. The relocating loader is introduced. Binary symbolic subroutines loader such as used in the IBM 7094, IBM 1130, GE635. The BSS loader allows many procedure segments but only one data segment. The assembler assembles each procedure segment independently and passes to loader the text and information as to relocations and inter-segment references. The output of the relocating assembler using a BSS scheme in the object program and information about all other program is references. For each program, the assembler output as a text machine instructions of the program, prefixed by the transfer vector that consists of the address containing names of the subroutines represented by the source program. For example, if a square root routine was referenced and was the first subroutine called, the first location of the transfer vector contained the symbolic name square root. The statement calling square root would be translated into the transfer instructions. The assembler would also provide the loader with additional information such as the length of the entire program and the length of the transfer vector. After loading the test and transfer vector into code, the loader would load each subroutine identified in the transfer vector. Thus, the execution of all sort statement would result in branch to the first location in the transfer vector. The BSS loader scheme is often used on computer with fixed length direct address instruction format. For example, the format of 360RX instructions were as 16-bit direct address work for 2 power 16 memory. If more than one problem occurs, the time the assembler associate bit with instructions or address field that called relocation bit. It is 116-bit is relocated. If then it is not located. Source program direct. These are the loader and relocating. Next questions. Explain data structure for language processing. Language processor or implements are highly influenced by the kind of storage structures used for program variables and data. Managing language requires allocating and managing the memory used by the program in static or dynamic environments. Implementations of suitable data structure becomes a critical in designing and executing the system program. The program behavior depends on the search and allocation structures, the language support and other features such as external references, recursion, etc. Vital operations, search and allocations. Choice of data structure. The design of runtime and storage management system is greatly influenced by the nature of source language. The structure of composition of source language commands the requirements of the language processor, takes up the job of code generation and allocates memory for the program object that have their own logical address space. Choice of data structure. Nature of data structures. Linear or non-linear. Linear data structures involve linear data elements arrangements. Such efficiency is considered by requirement of the contiguous memory allocations for the elements. Sometimes designer may compile to overestimate the memory requirements data structure in order to ensure that the data of later on memory management would not expand. This often leads to the wastage of memory. Easy accesses implemented by an array or linked list. Choice of data structure. Non-linear data structures are the alternatives. Uses pointer implementation to access elements. Need not occupy contiguous memory locations. More flexible in allocations and availability of space. Lowest search efficiency. Interleaved memory location. Purpose of data structures. Whether search data structures or allocation data structure. Such data structures provide efficient search, maintain attribute information, include data and sequential organization, binary search organization, as table, linked list, tree structures. Whether search data structures or allocation data structure. Allocation data structures include stack and heap organizations. Not require the search operations and address of the memory. Language processor use both search and allocation of data structure. Lifetime of data structure. Whether it is used during the language processor or the target program execution. For example, a data structure used during a language process would have the scope till the process only. Also called as search structures. Designed and used for its search efficiency during language processing. Set of entries, each encompassing the information concerning one entity. Maintains attribute information about different entries defined and used in the source program. Entry will be done only once but can be searched many times. Primarily created to store table of informations. Mainly created and used during analysis phases of program. Target program rarely used the data structure. Used for symbol table management. Characterized by key special symbol field containing name of the entity to assist the search operations. Feature of data structure. Entry. Set of fields referred to as record. Entry contains two parts. Value in the fixed part determines the information to be stored in the variable part. Fixed part and variable part. Fixed means symbol, class type, length, dimension information, number of parameters that addresses type of return value, length of return value, statement number. Variable name, class, statement number. Fixed length entry enable use of the homogeneous linear data structure. Examples: array, they may contain records having identical format. Suffers from inefficient use of memory usage. Variable length entry leads to compact organization with no memory wastage. Fixed length entry and variable length entry. Difference between fixed length and variable length. Fixed length is more access efficiency. Variable length is less access efficiency. Memory space is fixed length less. Variable length is more. Combining the functionality to hybrid entry format. Hybrid entry format gives to fixed point pointer length and the variable point. Symbol table, kind of data structures which is used in this language processing for both search and allocation data. Procedures, variant and fixed part and variable part. Procedure, variable, label, functions. Search of data structures, 3 operations: insert, search, delete. Algorithm part, genetic search. Genetic search algorithm is give to more than the data structure for language processing. Organization பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2 types: table organization, sequential search organization. Search organization வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sequential search வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா occupied entries, free entries, physical deletion, logical and active deleted records. Binary search gives to search based on the relational operation. Entry number must not change after adding record. As table organization, as function is used for the mapping of a key value on slot where that value belongs to the as table. As function takes any value, key value from the collection of computes on the integer value from it is in the range of slot names between 0 and 1.